Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Facebook user ID. Now, once you're inside your Facebook account, click your profile on the uppermost left hand side. That's going to take you right over to your own profile page on Facebook. You want to simply copy this page here of your profile, open up another tab in your browser, guys, and you want to simply look for a website called Lookup ID, right? You can type it whichever way, it's gonna find it for you because the name of the website is lookup-id.com. Once you head over to this website here, go ahead, paste your Facebook profile link here and click on lookup, and it's gonna find your profile user ID. As you can see, this is my Facebook user ID. Now, in order to be sure that this is 100% correct, you want to copy this and just simple head over to Facebook again, and you want to ensure that you type in facebook.com, remove that username there where you have the slash, paste that user ID and hit enter. If it finds your profile page, guys, that means that that's your user ID and it's 100% correct. And you can see that it worked for me there. And that's how easy it is, guys, to find your Facebook user ID. Very easy and very simple.